All right, we're live. Good morning, everyone. Holla holla, make a dollar. What's going on? What up, Troy? How you doing, brother?
Hey,
Can you hear
doing
me
good,
okay?
man.
I can't hear you, I don't think. Let's see. I don't think I can hear you. I
I'm
see.
doing
Wait a
good.
second. Dude, it's every other day with this thing. I hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. News just dropped on the for the Nasdaq. We're moving here. Sorry, news just dropped and the Nasdaq's moving is what I meant to say. Let's see here. I think you should be good, Troy. I don't.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, so let's talk news real quick. I mean, I don't know if who got a W off of news. Anybody? Anyone trading news? We got a core PCE and employment cost index basically came in as expected. So I would think continuation of whatever yesterday was. I haven't even looked at the chart. I mean, I'm kind of looking at it, but it looks like we crawled up a little bit. We'll see. You there, Troy?
Yeah, I'm here.
Weird. I
know.
cannot hear you. It's so strange. Let's see. Default. No, that's really weird. I don't know. Can you guys hear Troy? Maybe you guys can hear Troy. I don't know. Weird. I can't hear you, bro. It's weird. I see the thing moving, but
Any better?
oh, there you go. Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. I just had to refresh the screen.
Oh, okay. All right, there you go. Good stuff. Yeah, so it looks like came in as expected. We got a little up and down action, nothing crazy. We're gonna basically let's see here. Is this real time price? I guess this is no. What is this? Let's see. Is this real time? We didn't even move. What? That looks so much bigger in on the 1 minute chart. Okay, I got the 1 minute chart in Trade of 8, and it's like this. It was like this. So I'm like, oh wow, we moved. All right, yeah, we didn't really do anything. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys did well yesterday. We're gonna be getting after it today. I hope you guys are ready. It's Friday. We're gonna end the week strong. That's the goal. And I gotta pull up another chart here. Hold on, I got other things I gotta do here. Do. Any SMT we're seeing, Troy?
Yeah, there's some bearish SMT right now.
Bearish. Price pushing down. I see that. So we're breaking the bottom of that range there. I'll get a fun stuff up here. Let me get fun stuff. Where's my fun stuff? There we go. Gotta have fun stuff. Gotta have fun stuff so we can have some fun. Dollar climbing up. Look at the dollar just cruising up, right? Not just in this last 5 minutes. I'm just saying it's trending up. Nice little 15-minute trend. Gold popping to higher highs. Dang. Look at gold, dude. Out of here. Anyone trade gold? Anyone get a long off of gold? All right, market makers do not like this this news. This expectations met news. We're touching VWAP right now. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Put the overnight sessions on. Let's get our liquidity levels marked out. First thing we do when we open up the chart. Ooh, what do we know this to be? Potential reversal market maker model. Already. I know, I'm already. That's how quickly it is. Like, bam, just like that, you know? It's crazy, right? Potential, I said. It's like, you know, don't hold me to it, man. Yeah, so we got London, Asia low down here. Asia sell side liquidity is what I have. And Asia moved a little bit more than usual. We got a nice 140 point move last night during Asia. And that's why you see London like chill out, because pretty much Asia took the glory. So Asia took the glory. We got London highs. Mark that out. London buy side liquidity. Okay, buy side, sell side. Every which side. What else do we got, Troy? We got any previous
Well, we gapped
week,
up.
previous
We
day?
gapped up during the market open.
We
Asia,
gapped up. That's right.
6 o'clock. We gapped up right there. So I would like to see price go back down there, tap that before we continue upwards. We're currently in the new week opening gap above us. So that's just something I'm I'm not bearish by any means. I think we're going up to all-time highs, but I would sure like a little pullback down to that gap to maybe get a clean entry on a long. But if it pops above the range here, then it might be, and closes a body above these highs, then that might be an indicator, man, we're cruising up for the rest of the day. But right now, if this 15-minute closes below here, that's going to be a 15-minute breaker block, and you got a 5 and a 1 right below it. So there's going to be a lot of resistance right there to punch through. So if it does punch through, that kind of gives you the idea, maybe we're going to be cruising up the rest of the day. But for now, I'm thinking we go down and tap that gap. That's what I'm seeing right now. That's about it.
Okay, got it. Yeah, it's awesome, man. So basically looking to fill this gap and then pretty much bullish for the rest of the day after that. We'll see. And it could be a potential ride down there too, man. That's a nice little 115, 120 points. Might be able to get a ride down there, eh?
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see, huh? CBD, still not really giving any, we're pre-market. So as we cruise into the New York session, she'll probably be all over the place at that opening. And then the 15-minute range, huh? Those of you that know, and then, yesterday, same type of deal. CBD did drop quite a bit, but I haven't really been messing with CBD too much on higher time frames. It's all been lower time frames, 1 minute chart type of stuff. Yesterday, there was a huge CBD divergence in Bookmap. Like the lowest we were like CBD yesterday it was insane. It was like we were up here, and let's see if it shows it on the 1 minute. I'm curious if it shows it in the 1 minute in here. Let's see, because it showed it in Bookmap, and I'm just curious to see what it shows in here, because this is a little different.
The feeling of people
Yeah.
when you stand on the edge like this isn't a feather falling. It's a feather that might jump.
Interesting. Okay. It's the music I'm listening to. I thought it was you. So you didn't really see that. It just cruised up. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be using this one. Yeah, I'm not going to be using. I don't ever use it. I might as well get it off. Off the chart. You're gone. Bye-bye. If I don't use you, you go. So we tapped. Basically, that was a little tap of a taparooski there. Nice little VWAP respect there. That's pretty much it. Who's got coffee? Shout out to coffee this morning. Let's smash the like button for coffee. Dude, I have a headache. I don't know what happened. I woke up kind of stuffy and I probably need to go take something. I don't know. What's good for a headache? I have Sudafed. Is it Sudafed? Yeah, I have Sudafed. Doesn't that dry you up? Am I gonna go take some Sudafed?
Yeah, Sudafed, I think we'll do that.
I'm gonna go take some Sudafed. I'm gonna put you up here, brother. You take over for a minute.
All right. So, yeah, I'm just pretty much watching these breaker blocks above us kind of form. It's not really there on a 15. You can see we're wicking back up, so that's not good. Really want to see that push through. But we have to be careful here, because at open, price might go up and wick the highs, fake people out, say we're going long, and then we reverse, kind of like what we did yesterday. So what you want to do is just wait for like a 15-minute body to close over those highs. You want to see a body close above the swing highs that we had for London and the pre-New York, and then see a body close above that and through that, then that's going to give us an indication that we're going to probably go fill that gap above us, the new week opening gap above us, and cruise up to that 22 100 area. So anyway, it's pretty easy to see like what we might be doing. We close below here on the 15, we're going down, close above, going up. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for more of like a day trade. The Dow failed to take out London's high, where New York not New York, but Nasdaq and S&P grabbed London's high. So right, so it's a high time frame liquidity grab. That's just a classic thing you want to look for to potentially reverse and go back down. We've got a target.
Don't say another word. We got
Which is a
12
gap
people
below
in
us.
here. We have 4 likes. Not one more
know.
word. I'm not doing anything.
Haven't given them enough alpha yet, man.
No.
They need some more alpha.
No. We're here. That's enough alpha. That's
enough alpha. Just
hell
gracing
yeah.
us.
We're right here,
just
baby.
gracing us with their presence.
We're putting it on. You know what I mean? We're going on a 3-week session day win streak. Let's go, man. I don't know, did I say that right? Thanks, guys. Let's go. Look, some people jumped out. They did not like that. People don't like when you ask for likes, but that's
there was 2 likes. There was 2 likes when I first hopped on, and now there's only 1. So somebody took back their like.
No, you got to refresh. There's 7, but look, your payment is a like. Okay, it's a like. That's how we get the YouTube algorithm going. If you don't want to win, then unsubscribe. If you don't want to win, unsubscribe, tune out, goodbye, later, kick rocks. Okay, we got some more
go
likes.
watch somebody trading meme coins. That'd be better for you.
Go ahead, bro. Thank you for the likes. I'll go ahead and drink my pink coffee now. Well, okay, you want to continue the alpha?
I think that's it. I don't think I had any more really. Really want to see us close through this previous swing point on a 5. Right now we're just kind of dillying around. News wasn't really anything special, and yeah, I'm starting to see a little bit of some signs that we could be going down, but I just want to see us break out of this little range up here at the top. I want to see that breaker form on a 15. Like I was telling them, yesterday, how we kind of diddled around here, and then when market opened, we went up there, grabbed the highs again, and then we reversed. So we tricked a lot of people into going long, and then we went short, right? We reversed. That's the perfect sign, right? That's exactly what you want to see on a reversal. Now, if a candle body closes above that swing high, then that's kind of an indicator that, we could be pushing higher because we're breaking out of the range, like with a candle body, like on a 15-minute, or like pushing through. So the idea is we have a new week opening gap above us, right? So price is going to have to decide to push through that. So that would be the target above us, just blasting through that and grabbing everything up there. Or we reverse here, go down and grab that gap up from the opening price of 6 o'clock, or 7 o'clock, wherever you're from. But New York would be 7 o'clock, I believe. So that opening gap up is a target. So there's 2 targets we have. We just need to wait for price to break above or below for more of a day trade. Now, if you've been
Yep.
watching my market overview videos that I post in our community, you would have been long way down below, like a zero. You'd be riding this thing up, and you could see, where we're going, because I've got it all marked out. So
Dang, man. Alpha. There we go.
and I do that every week for the community. I give people bias.
Dude,
Pretty much.
it's been
And
sick. Yeah.
if you see your trade idea, whatever way you trade, if you see it going into your favor, and you looked at Troy's market overview and it was like, okay, yeah, I see he thinks it's going up here too, and you see your trade idea play out, your entry model, whatever, grab it, write it up there,
Yeah, 100%.
or down there, wherever it is.
Yeah. 100%, man. It's been fire. I mean, the trade ideas have been on point. Look, you're not going to be able to necessarily know everybody's entry model, what they want to do, but giving them bias, that's like probably one of the most important things, is bias. You know what I mean? Like, understanding what is my take on the market, what direction overall do I think the market's going. It's pretty, I mean, that's where people get it wrong, dude. It's usually not the entry model, because people will hold when they're underwater. It's usually their bias, oh shoot, I'm gonna just hold this trade forever. Well, that doesn't align with bias, right? So why hold it? Make it a cheap trade. Yesterday
knowing
my
the
bias
bias
was up, so I held on, and look what happened, right? So who I saw? Nah, never mind, go ahead.
Yeah, knowing bias is just, that's where it's at. Now you can see prices pushing up. Let's see if it holds, right?
Yeah, so we're cruising up. We kind of broke a little bit of structure there. I mean, we're still inside of London. So, I mean, this really hasn't moved. I mean, you're talking like, 39 points. Come on, guys. If you've been trading for a while, you know that is not a big move at all. That's nothing. We've done nothing. So just sort of relax, man. You got tons of time. Chill. You got tons of time. All right, tons of time. We want to make sure that we get a good trade. We want to make sure that the trade has legs and not just some little peanut, okay? Like these other jokers. We don't want to be a joker. All right, we want to grab a nice healthy trade, something that looks good. Is there anything in here? What I could say, yeah, here's a 1 minute shelf, yada yada. I'm not doing that right now. We haven't really chosen a direction. There's a little bit of a trend line here. You could argue some trend line liquidity. You have liquidity levels up here. Okay, whatever, dude, chill. It's early. Relax with the trend lines, Mike. Come on. You can always find something. The question is it the right time? You got about 10 minutes to market open. We know that this could potentially be a target. We'll open up Bookmap in just a second. I'll put Bookmap up here. We do have the ability to see liquidity levels. So there you go.
10 minutes till 8 o'clock.
10 minutes till 8 as well. So obviously we got to keep that in mind.
You said 10 minutes till open.
Oh, sorry. I meant 8.
Mike's open is at 8.
That's right.
Because we like to get things going.
That's right.
Let's
get it early.
That's
Let's get it early.
That's our
Let's
market
get our
open,
win.
baby.
Let's get out. Who likes to get a win and then dip and go play for the rest of the day? That's what I like to do. No, but your videos have been fire, bro. They've been freaking bananas. So anybody that's, they've been just on, they're just right. I don't know what to tell you. They're just right. They're accurate. Like, it's crazy. I almost feel like that's just all we should be doing. It's like,
yeah,
seriously, like if you're that, I mean, since you started, you've literally not been wrong. I mean, like, I don't understand, like, what else do you want? It's like I know people pay tons of money for signal groups, and they're like, every day they give a signal, and it's like risk 10 to make 1, first of all, and then you see edited at the top of the previous signals, so who knows what what was going on there. And then at the end of the day, it just doesn't pan out. I mean, the signal thing just doesn't pan out. I still have this headache, so I'm sorry. I just, but I think it's funny. Your market overviews come out Monday. You're like, yep. So this is what I'm seeing. This is SMT. This is what I'm seeing for the week. Yada yada. And it's like by the end of the week, I look back, I'm like, well, I'll be damned. It did exactly what you said. I'm like, how the hell do you know this? You know, it's just, it's dope, man. I know our members appreciate it. I know that there's a ton of students that have reached out to me as well that just like, they're totally, they appreciate it. They're making money with it. I mean, Stuart's a prime example, but I think you got to be a little more advanced to take action on your own. Does that make sense? So being in here with us, I think people appreciate this as well. And why is this right on top of my head? What the hell, dude? Hold on. I got the freaking code on top of my head. No wonder people are leaving. I look like a Momo. All right, there we go. That's better. That's way better. What the heck? I don't know why I didn't see that before. Everything else looked good. This could maybe move down a little. There we go. All right, I think that's better. Anyways, I know members appreciate it. I think, you know, we'll just keep doing what we do, man. And I've been enjoying being in here every day, morning and in the afternoon with you guys. It's been a lot of fun. We've been building it up. We got to 40 people on the live stream yesterday. That was cool.
Nice.
Yeah, it was cool. We yesterday was a weird day. I was in a day trade. Ended up, you know, just kind of getting out of that, a little bit of profit. But the risk there, really, I mean, I'll be honest with you. If I had held, I'd be way up right now. And I said, what did I say before? Like, it's kind of crazy because I, you know, and I know you've been calling stuff. We've been on a tear, bro. Between the two of us, we have been on a tear because get back on, right? And I talked to you guys about yesterday and having this, what do we call yesterday's market maker model? Does anybody remember? In chat, type in chat. Sorry, guys. I haven't even looked, man. Good morning, everyone. Let's start over. What's up, everyone? Good morning. What's going on, guys? What's up, Mike? What's up, John? Tobez? What's up, Stuart? What is up? Jonathan Gonzalez. What's up, man? Trading Journey. What is going on, brother? Let's see, who else do we got? Seek and destroy. That's right, Tobez. So that's the market maker model, is seek and destroy, right? So we looked at Bookmap. We saw that Bookmap showed, let me get Bookmap. There we go. We saw that Bookmap showed liquidity above and below. And when we see that happening, along with this market maker model, seek and destroy. Now, what is seek and destroy? Anyone want to type it out? Because I maybe there's somebody in here that doesn't know. If somebody doesn't know, type IDK. I don't know. If you don't know what seek and destroy market maker model is, you need to know this model. When you see it form early, you pretty much know what the day is going to hold. It's how I got my win yesterday. It's why I held the long, even though we were down here yesterday. Is a reason why I held that long. And I explained it to everybody. We were on the same page. Everybody knows what's up there. So type IDK if you don't know what seek and destroy is, and somebody will show you. I'll show you very quickly. It takes 2 seconds, but you need to know that model. I'm gonna assume everybody knows it since I'm not seeing anything. So you got Asia, you got London, you got New York. All right, seek and destroy. So as soon as you see that during really the first half of, or last part of London into the first half of New York, you already know, okay, this is what it is. So down here we knew, we held. I basically said, hey, by the end of the session, we're going to take out the high. Now, I was wrong. It wasn't the end of the section. Section? Where's my mind? Okay, hold on. Wifey's been doing Pilates for like, I don't know. No, wrong topic. Okay. So anyways, I got a smirk at you. I saw it. The goal was to take out these highs, and what happened was, you know, we opened up, gapped up because we're super bullish. Price on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was bullish. Okay, I can't even talk. Wake up, Mike. Come on. Anyways, it's the Sudafed.
It'd be a lot easier if you just told us when to buy and sell, Mike, instead of talking about all this other crap nobody cares about.
Okay. All right. Well, right now you should just buy. Okay, we're gonna go up. But anyways, we took out this target later after we gapped up in the Asia session. So it did get grabbed. It's just not in the time period. I thought we were just gonna cruise up quickly. The model played out. It's like this. It's like she grabbed here, and then everything else, it's like she went a little bit further, and then she's like, yeah, I don't care anymore. And then the market just kept buying. Anyways, Trump tariff stuff, you know, Canada tariffs. What else do we got? What other news? Whatever happened to the plane that exploded yesterday? What happened there? Did they find more? I mean, I heard 67 people died. That's pretty much horrible tragedy, man. But I'm just trying to figure out what happened. Any other news there, or no? Or do you know?
I don't know. Some people are. I mean, I've read that there was only one traffic control person. Okay. I mean, it's just a lack of just professionalism, I think. You know, it's just, yeah, it doesn't make sense at all. It shouldn't have happened, and somebody screwed the pooch, and they should be held accountable for it.
Yeah, crazy, man. That's horrible, man. That's horrible.
Yeah. I mean, imagine if one of your family members was in that accident,
dude, like, I can't imagine it.
You would be looking for blood. You know what I mean? Like you would want somebody. Yeah.
I mean, I can't even imagine what these people go through. You know, when you lose a family member, when you lose a child, I can't fathom it, dude. You know, that's why I'm watching this series called Vikings. I don't know if anybody's seen the series called Vikings. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's unbelievable. And actually, it got, in my opinion, so there's 7 series, okay? It's on Netflix. There's 7 series, I think, 7 or 8. And seasons is what I meant, sorry. And anyway, so I think it came out like around the time that, what was everyone watching? The one with the dragons, and I watched it too, is like the most amazing show ever. It's like everybody watched, I forget the name of it, but it kind of like got overshadowed by Game of Thrones. It's Game of Thrones, right? And so like it just, the way that the Vikings looked at life and valued life, like it'll blow your mind, dude. The series, I can't really say too much because it's pretty gruesome, and like the way that they treat children that just come out, you know, like just they're deformed or they come out wrong. It's just like, leave them by the river, dude. Like it's just like wild stuff. It's like gutting a person, their guts fall out and stuff. It's like, what the hell? Like this is what like this is how these people treated other people back then. They were just ruthless, dude. And pillaging, the Vikings like pillaged, you know, the England. And the way that they just like these towns, they go in and just, they literally changed the genetic makeup of Europe. Like specifically like those, it's crazy. Like I can't go into it too much because it's stuff that I can't really say on here. I don't want to get into it, but it's just, go watch the series. It's like, it'll blow your mind. It'll really give you an idea. And then if you do your history, if you like look up history on how, like Sweden, you know how a lot of, you know, everyone says like, oh, the most beautiful girls are in Sweden. Well, there's a reason. Like there's a reason. If women were ugly, they would kill them. And they would only breed. Like, this is real stuff, dude. I'm serious. It's wild. Like literally genetics of the entire country of Sweden. Like you go look up the history, you'll see like the genetic makeup of people got changed because of the Vikings. This is wild.
That's not the only country that did that.
Yeah, well, true. That's true.
Anyways, look at our sports.
What'd you say?
Like I said, look at our sports genetics. People that are in our that play professional football, basketball.
Oh, right. Yeah, that's true. But anyways, back to trading.
I did too, man. I picked my wife because I wanted those genes.
Yeah.
One of those genetics.
That's it, huh?
No.
That's awesome. No, man, it's just you know, it's a really good series, really good show. I recommend it. And
people are leaving because we're talking about all this other crap, and we're not trading. We're not giving them buy and sell signals.
Jeremy Penick, what's up, Jeremy? What is up, dude? I just saw the name. I was like, wait, what? That's my guy. Jeremy Penick was the reason I moved to LA. And dude, shout out to Jeremy Penick, man. What is up, brother? Dude, we gotta link up. I hope you've been well. Hope you've been well, bro. Jeremy is an incredible artist and producer. He was signed to a major record label. He got one of the last major record deals out there, man. He was in a group called Depswaw, D-E-P-S-W-A-W, I think. Depsaw. Sorry if I said it wrong, but you were listening to songs we did, dude. He's like an amazing Depswaw, yeah, S-W-A. There you go. Yeah, check him out, dude. He's got like amazing music. I moved out to LA because of him, and he basically took me in. I lived with him and in what was it, Santa Ynez? No, not Santa Ynez, sorry. That's where were we? In the Valley, right? In California, for a few years. Sun Valley, that's right. I mean, I've lived in so many places in California, I get confused. Next to Burbank, that's right, yep. And all we did every day, dude, was produce music every single day, man. It was a wild time. We must have made 30 or 40 songs together. And he had a studio in the back. He's like, yeah, just learn it. Because of Jeremy that's why I was able to learn how I was able to learn production in any way. I played some of my music on stream, Jeremy, like a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, because people were requesting to just hear some of my songs. And so I played some of them, and people were like, what? Yeah, they were tripping out. But some of the stuff we did was so much fun, dude. And then we shopped those songs that we did. We shopped them. There was a couple of I met the head of Warner. No, was it Warner? It was like back in the day. It was they're not like a group anymore, or a record company anymore. I forget who it was. But anyways, I stood in front of the head guy, and he's like, how many the A&R, head of A&R, right? And I think it wasn't Universal, they're still here, but like it was one of these that aren't around anymore. He was like, how many MySpace followers do you have? This is back in the day, y'all. He's like, how many MySpace followers do you have? And I was like, I think I have like 1,000 or 2,000 or something. He's like, yeah, And he was like this British guy. He's like, he stopped the music. We were listening to my music. He's like, yeah, you're good. No, that's not a hit. We need to get a hit, and you need at least 100,000 followers on MySpace. And you can do it. Go do it, and then come back when you have 100,000 followers, and we'll get you a hit. And I was like, okay, yes, sir. Yeah, okay, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, master. Oh, okay. So I left like half cocked, right? And Jeremy and I went back. I think I told you about it or something. And then we started making more music together. But Jeremy had a major record deal. I mean, like, go look up Depswall, dude. That was his band right here. Go look that band up. That's him in the music video and everything. Shout out to Jeremy Penick in the chat right now, dude. Yes, it was TikTok, bro. It was TikTok. It is TikTok. I mean, it's TikTok now. And what's crazy, I recently spoke to Chris Anakute, which is he's a major. Met him out in LA when I was, doing music, and he's responsible for a lot of artists blowing up. And he said, yeah, what defines a hit now, right, is it's first of all, it's 10 times harder to get a hit now than it was like back when we were making music, Jeremy. And he said, if you do not blow up on TikTok, you don't have a hit record, period. TikTok is it's like the thing that labels look at. And if you do blow up on TikTok, then you potentially have a hit record, man. Yeah, it's crazy. So it's all about being viral. Yeah, 100%, dude. But Depswall, dude, guys, go check out Depswall and check out Jeremy Penick. Love you, brother. It's been a long time, man. So it's cool seeing you in chat. Yeah, so I day trade now, doing the mornings, doing the evenings, making money. We're going on 3 weeks of win streak in here, and just showing the trades live and how I manage. I've been trading since 2017. So I kind of had a rough go, man. 4 years of hell, and then finally getting profitable. And really 2021 was like my breakout year. And then now I just trade, man. That's really all I do. I'm in my studio though. You'd be proud of me, Jeremy. I got a whole studio. I got my gear here, bro. Look, I'm gonna break out the keys. What do you want, huh? I got my whole studio, you know. It's not as cool as yours. I don't have like a soundboard or anything, but it's a little something. It gets me going. If I need to hop on the other computer, I got the, you see the oh no, you don't see it. I got my mic here, you know, just in case I need to switch up the mics, baby. So, you know, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I still do music every now and then, man. I'm just not, it's, you know, I got a family now and I just do it for fun, bro. You know, it's not something. You did over 5,000 trades. Holy crap. Wow. What are you trading, bro? What are you trading? But anyways, yeah, guys, this is like my dude, man. I can't even believe it. Sick. I saw your name. I was like, wait, what? Futures. He said he learned the hard way. Yeah, I get it, man. Like, futures is tough, and you know, especially but I like futures because, you know, you don't have to deal with the spread. You don't have to deal with, you know, high fees from a broker. I traded CFDs, you know, so it's like, you know, the reason I trade CFDs because it's 100 times more fractal than futures, right? So I could really fractalize my setups, and if I wanted to ladder into positions, I could do it. Where futures, you kind of have to have a lot more money to play with, you know. But man, I was down like $180,000. By 2020, I had been down 180,000, believe it or not. And you know, I was big into crypto and doing crypto, so I was okay. I was actually making way more money than losing. But first 5 months, you made 130 of 600, off of 600. Not knowing what I was doing, dude. You know what's crazy? And then I tell this to I tell this to everybody. I say, look, the people that don't know what they're doing in trading, like new people, tend to actually have more luck, especially in the beginning. Like when you don't know, when you keep it very simple, a lot of times that's where it's at, man. That's where the magic is at. You know, not knowing is actually better than knowing sometimes. So I always compare trading to like playing the guitar or learning something with music, because it takes time to get good at stuff. But reality is, trading is also one of those rare sort of things where like actually knowing less can be more beneficial, because people overcomplicate it, and that can be a problem, you know what I mean? So just trying to keep things like super simple, because once you learn all this crap, you're like, well, how do I piece it together to create a strategy, you know? Take for instance, like right now, we have no top wick on this 5 minute. I know we're pre-market, we're about 20 minutes in. And so we look at this 5 minute, the way this candle opened up, we opened low, right? We have no top wick. I want you to take a look at all these other candles. There's no bottom wick down here. Maybe we go fill that, no top wick up here, right? And what happens when we don't have a bottom or a top wick? Now this is 5 minutes, so you got to keep that in mind. But I'm creating these bottom and top wicks in here because you can see they always get filled for the most part, right? So maybe price wants to come down here. Look at how much overextended too. We talk about range of these candles. This is obviously way deeper of a way more range in this candle. Look at this previous candle. We can measure it, right? 34. We're down here at what? We're down here at, there's 34 right there. So that's about the extension that we're seeing right now. So 41. So once we get into a candle that maybe extends, you know, 34 points with no top wick, hey, that could be a good buying opportunity, right? Potential buying opportunity for at least going up and creating the top wick or getting close to those highs, right? So I'll go ahead and put something like this up here. And what do we know? We know over to the left, there's no bottom wick here. So maybe price wants to go and create that bottom wick, right? And so you're only looking for what? You're looking for like 20 points from here, right? If you bought down here, you're in good position. If you're buying up here. So this is an idea. It's a trade idea. And these kind of trade ideas, they happen all the time on the chart. It's a lot of people say like stick to one strategy and everything. I'm not a one strategy guy. None of the greats had just one strategy. They all used multiple. They all used diverse and dynamic money management as well. So I'm not a big believer in just sticking to one strategy, but I think you need to learn one strategy at a time, right? That doesn't make sense to try to learn 10 things at once. So, but yeah, in this case, this would be sort of two strategies. You have an overextension, which probably is going to have a pullback, okay? Because it's an overextended candle, right? It's just candle theory. And then you have part of candle theory is talking about how candles are formed. And if you open low, right, especially if you're overextended low, the chances are you're going to go up and create that top wick. And then you just kind of take a look at the range, right? And I'll go down here. That's a 15 minute. I thought that was a 5. That's my bad. But look, no top wick on the 5. Go to the 30. That's a 30 minute. Is that an hour? Oh, that's an hour candle, right? So that's an hour candle as well. So now you take a look at all these hour candles. Which ones don't have a top and a bottom wick, right? They all have top and bottom wicks, right? So if a candle opens low and overextends on a lower time frame, and you know it doesn't have a top wick, you see how we can get these scalps off a little bit. It's a little different, right? And it's just an idea. Now, I'm not in this trade. This is just an idea, but I'm just showing you that this could be an idea for going up and creating that top wick. And I'm pretty confident that we will go up and create that top wick. Now, the question is, and this is where people get wicked out, right? Paper cut after paper cut is how deep is it going to go before it goes? And we don't know. You don't know. And that's why what's funny to me is that people don't use Bookmap, right? They don't know where liquidity is actually at on the chart, and this is why we use it. And they also just kind of guess. They just put their stop loss, what they're taught is put it below the swing, right? I'm not a big fan of that either, for the most part, because you're totally guessing, first of all. And what happens if it gets there? Does it negate this idea? Yes or no? And if the answer is no, you got to stay in the trade. So you really need to pick a spot on the chart where the idea, not where you're taught, not just, okay, I'm taught this, I'm like a monkey here and I'm just going to do what they all say, right? No, it's where does the idea, and this is where new traders, and this is just a fact, it's not, I'm not digging at anybody, but a lot of people just don't know, is my idea invalid? You don't know. I don't know. I'm a new trader, or I don't know. I don't really understand this theory that you're talking about, Mike, or I don't know in general, right? So what they do is they just, oh, I'm going to put my stop loss here. And I totally get that, but that takes time, dude. It takes time. You're not going to learn this overnight. It's like, you know, I don't know what to compare it to really, but obviously as a logical human being, you can obviously just imagine that things take time before you start sort of, we'll call it see the matrix. And there's so many things going on in trading at one time. My brain fires off like insane. It's probably, if you were to like study my brain when I'm looking at the chart, it's like lighting up all over. And it's not from emotions, it's from me looking at the chart and seeing different ideas and things that I've learned over 8 years of trading. Have you been trading 8 years? If not, you probably won't have the same result right now, or the same confidence, or the same ideas, right? And even if you did trade 8 years, you're gonna have different ideas. So I was trained a particular way. And so when I say trained, I watched somebody for 9 months trade a 7-figure account and turn it into an 8-figure account in front of my eyes. So it really, I was like, when you talk about you have belief in stuff, I know what I'm talking about is legit, like it works. But it's just a matter of putting the pieces together to actually have a good entry model to where you're not over risking. So what am I saying? I'm saying with your stop loss, where does the idea get invalidated? If you're going to create the top wick up here, which I believe price will, and you didn't have a bottom wick here, remember I said price would go and create this bottom wick potentially? So why would I want to put my stop loss? See, because I know that, why would I put my stop loss here? I would have been wicked out. This is why traders get paper cut after paper cut. So look, it went and created the bottom wick. Is it done? I don't know, but I would at least give myself some extension from that bottom wick. And look, some traders go, well, that's not a one-to-one. You're right, then don't take the trade. If you're really that concerned, don't take the trade. Or I got a better idea for you. don't just get in here, get in where you know price is most likely going to go. It's going to probably go create the bottom wick, right? So that would be like a stellar entry. Like I'm going to go ahead and wait for price to create the bottom wick. We don't have a top wick. Hopefully it just goes down there. And if it doesn't and it goes up and creates a top wick, you're going to be pissed off that you didn't get in. So I got another idea for you. Get in there where you see the trade, put your stop loss a little, give yourself some room. Don't worry about the R. And guess what? If it goes down here and creates the bottom wick, average your position in. Guess what? Now you have a decent average, right? Your average of this position is right there. Right in the middle of those two trades would be your average. And guess what? Now you have a good position. You have room for price to go and create that top wick now. Does that make sense? You guys liking it? Smash the like button if you're liking the alpha this morning. So we're here. We're pre-market. We got, 13 minutes. We got Jeremy Pennick in the house, producer extraordinaire, artist extraordinaire, just person extraordinaire. I miss you, dog. And yeah, man. We're gonna be getting after it this morning. We'll just watch price go up and create that top wick. We'll just watch it do that. we got Troy McNeely in the house. Let's go. Habstrand says, first time here, just saw your short about Patrick Whalen. I usually follow him, but looking forward to checking out the number 2. That's right. I gotta say number 2 day trader on YouTube. Yeah. You like that, don't you? Yeah, hey, funny. Look, we can't claim number 1. That's been done. We're not gonna do what's already been done. No one's got the guts to admit they're number 2. No one's got the guts, bro. I just said, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. Number 1's been taken. Number 2 is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not number 1, but it's pretty good. I'll be all right. Welcome in, bro. That means I try harder. That's right, baby. That's right.
That's right, man. I like that.
Yeah. Put more reps in. That's it. Now Patrick's the OG, anyways. I mean, he's been on YouTube forever, dude. He was on YouTube before I started my crypto channel. This used to be a crypto channel. I made a lot of money with crypto. I changed my life with crypto. But I've been trading since 2017. I went full time in 2022. So about 3 years ago, not quite 3 years ago, but around there. Then we have 1,000 members in our private group, in the Midas Touch trading group. We got the challenge, interactive challenge. Go join that. It's free. It's the pinned comment. It's free to join the school group. We're on school because we're a real community. I don't do the Discord bullshit. Sorry, but I don't do Discord crap or Telegram stuff just because I have had the worst experiences in there from crypto. I do not want to get scammed. I don't think they're real communities. Like, it's not, I hate that shit. So I like school. School is an awesome place to actually build a real community. And yeah, it's badass. So any cryptos, yeah, meme coins, baby. Go all in. Get wrecked, Yeah, cool, man. Right on. Cool stuff, dude. I don't really have any recommendations. I don't like recommending things, especially not on YouTube. But like in general, I think we are going to have a really good bull run with altcoins. And you could pretty much like throw little tiny pebbles. This is what I did back in 2018, 2019. I really rode that last bull run up hard, right? And so I got into DeFi projects and I just threw little stabs at projects, and I had a YouTube channel where I would interview, different projects, and I would just take little stabs here and there. Like, I'd give you an example, right? There was a project called BNB Pay. I interviewed them. I reviewed their, not interviewed, but I reviewed their project, and their market cap was at 1.2 million. 2 months later, it was at 156 million, less than 2 months later. And I had put $5,000 in that project. So you can do the math. That was just one. And I've done that multiple times. And it was really wild, dude. Like, so you can change your life with small cap projects, but you really finding them with a good team, with a solid foundation, and, not rug pull and all that stuff. But I lost 40 grand just because I got scammed. I lost 20 grand because I sent freaking, don't do this, but I sent, Binance, I sent what was it? BNB. I sent BNB to. I sent Tether on BNB chain to Coinbase. I sent 20 grand. I'm sitting there with my wife watching a movie, and I was like, "Fuck!" And she's like, "What?" You know, and I'm like, "Ah, I sent 20 grand. It just gone. It's just." And you know they have that, Troy. You know they have that money sitting there.
Yeah, they're trading it.
Exactly. Yeah, it's kind of messed up.
Yeah, I'm all in on Fartcoin. If anybody wants a suggestion, yeah, it's called Fartcoin. I'm all in.
Man, I've seen some pretty wild stuff, dude. There are no ethics, there are no rules, there are no it's the morals have just gone away with coins and what you're it's I've seen some pretty ratchet coins lately. Ratchet projects. And look, meme coins are killing it. Like, take for instance the Trump coin. You know, if you got into that early, you made a killing. That coin, like, people made a lot of money on Trump. And at the high, I told people this thing's gonna crash, man. Let's see here. Where are we? I'll go check out Trump coin. What are we doing on Trump coin?
I'm looking at London lows, guys. I don't know if anybody got in on that that top like me.
That's
I'm looking
so
at closing
sad.
my trade, and I'll be off. I'll see you guys on Monday.
All right, let's see here. Don't be a jerk. All right. So 15 minutes, still no top wick on that. So I'm just waiting for price to go back up and create the top wick. That's it. It probably happened during open. ICOs. Yeah, man, there's it's hard to make money in crypto because you got to be able to handle the pain, and if you're not a trader, you really don't understand that. So that's why I say, like, with meme coins, you just toss a little bit. Just toss a little. Like, if you toss a little bit at 100 different projects, you're gonna hit some 100x's. I promise. It's gonna happen. But you got to do your research. You know, I've been out of the game, dude. I've been out of the game for a few years now. So I really don't. I've been trading. I've been way more consistent just trading and doing this than getting into crypto projects. Even though I made a shitload of money trading crypto projects, I've done way more consistent trading with just trading the markets and staying away from, honestly, I mean, there is a part of me that definitely, once again, when Bitcoin dominance falls, okay, and we start to see alt season, I will get into projects. I 100%. And I have some guys that are incredible. Like, if you guys know who AJ is, he's the creator of EMP.money. I was one of the Magnificent Six that helped that project launch. And yeah, I work with the dev team right now for that project. I worked with the dev, and I'm talking to AJ almost every day. Just good people, man, and we're working on something else. He's working on something else, and I'm able to help a little bit here and there. So yeah, there's some fun stuff in the background. Troy knows what I'm talking about. I can't talk about it right now. That's the first time I've even said anything about it. But yeah, we're working on something that's going to be pretty cool. And if you follow me here, then guess what? You'll get the alpha first, and it will. And you got to remember that EMP.money was #1 for like a week, okay? For like a week. But in all of DeFi on the Ethereum chain. What? Like, what? That was really a tough thing to do. I mean, we have $50 million locked in that project at one point. So just saying. And it's still going. I mean, he's got an incredible community. So AJ knows what he's doing, man. Yeah, dude, I think we're gonna turn up here once the market opens, but the market has not moved. We've gone like 56
type in chat.
points.
Where do you think we're going?
Up or down?
Where do you think we're going? Up or down, guys?
I'm
Type
gonna
in chat.
put a poll together.
I'm gonna go grab some coffee before the market opens.
Okay. All right, right on.
Up, George, Chris says up. Tobez is talking about Bookmap.
There we go. Nice. All right, so Bookmap. Yeah, I don't, right now there's just, I already know what I'm going to find in Bookmap. Let's take a look. Yeah, so all of this changes very quickly when the market opens. That's what I noticed with Bookmap, right? We're hot down here. So 21,657 is a hot spot. 21,850 is another hot spot. Immediate liquidity grab would be 21,743. And this is where you can go back and you look at your chart and you say, okay, so it's 21,743. This is going to be down here, right? 743 right here. So you can actually put these in. You know, here's a hot spot for Bookmap, right? These like to get grabbed. I mean, that's why I marked them on the chart. And you can pretty much use these also in conjunction with your trading. So if I feel like, okay, you know, just based on candle theory, we should go up here and create a top wick. So I'm going to go light on this trade. This is not like an stellar entry model trade, right? This is just an idea. But if I were to do this, well, now I know, okay, I have a hot spot down here too, based on, you know, Bookmap, and this is giving me that extra layer. You can't see this in a candle. Can you see liquidity inside of a candle? Please tell me. Can you? Yes or no? No. So you use Bookmap, you use footprint charts, you use things like this to help you. And so I marked that out, and now I know, okay, we got some liquidity down there. We got it at 21,850, you know, so that's going to be up here. 21,850. So we'll mark Bookmap up here as well, right? And then maybe down below, we got a really hot spot down here, 21,656. 21,656. That's going to be 21,656. Going to be way down here. Oh, there's the reason. Hello. Why do you think that is, folks? Look at that. That's where we're saying price is going to go, right here. And the middle of the fair value gap is here. So look, right there. That's a definite target. I mean, I'm going to put a target right there. So anyways, here we go. Going up to create the top wick finally. And again, you know, this is, you know, if you're in a scalp, you protect your downside. Here we go with the little 5-minute fair value gap. If we can inverse that, we'll definitely go create that top wick faster, sooner than later. You got 2 minutes to the open. So if you're in this trade, it'd be a smart idea to probably get out of the trade. Why? Because the market volatility at open, anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. So if you DCA'd into that trade, if you ladder ordered into that trade, I call it ladder ordering because it's specific locations. DCA is just kind of like you just add wherever you want. I don't like that. So if you're going to add multiple positions, I call it ladder ordering because there is a specific model called ladder ordering. And this, guess what, guys? If you want to learn that more, check out the pinned comment that I have. We have the challenge that's going to be opening up today. Finally today. Yes, 100%. 100% today. I had a little bit of a setback. I had other family stuff I had to take care of, so I just didn't have time. But today it's opening up. So if you guys want to check out the challenge, it's free to come and join the school group. I'm going to show you, if you're going to learn what type of trader you are, you're going to learn either swing or scalping, and I'm going to show you both of those systems, full back test. I'm going to show you the crazy horse strategy. If you're not familiar with that, you'll get familiar. Take the challenge. You'll have a lot of fun. It'll be a good time. Here we go. Market is open. Here we go. Let's get it, baby. Woo! Let's get it. Who's excited, man? All right, how much do you pay for the Bookmap? Boom. I don't know. I don't need to pay Nasdaq. Oh, do you need to pay Nasdaq? It's included. I think it's included. I don't remember. To be honest with you, I don't remember. Hope it goes up since I'm in a long. Since I'm in a long, it'll go down. I hope it goes up, but since I'm in a long, it'll go down. That's hilarious. Charles, relax, dude. I think it's going to go up to create that top wick. But we'll see. Going down to take out Asia lows before going up to fill the gap on Sunday's open. All right, so we got 92% of the group, but it's only 12 votes. If you haven't voted, put your vote in. You lazy ass. Wake up. Put your damn vote in. Do you think it's going to be green or red? Let's go. Don't be a loser. Put your vote in, folks. Come on. All right, a lot of people think we're going green for the day. I don't have an opinion, to be honest with you. I'm just going to play the chart and see what happens. There's the top wick. Thank you. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken dinner. There's the top wick. Okay, there's the top wick. Boom. Type W in chat if you took that trade and you're a degenerate. And you totally took that trade based off of the idea. You didn't care about the entry model. You just said, you know what, Mike said it's going there. And I'm effing taking this trade, baby. Type W in chat if you just said, I don't care. Honey Badger don't care. Mike said it's going up, so we going up, baby. He has not been wrong 3 weeks straight. I kind of have a couple times, but we have not ended a day red, and that's important. That's the most important thing. I have been wrong a few times, but we have not ended a day red. Jeez Louise. Look at that candle. Holy mackerel. Okay, let's go down to the 1 minute and see what's going on. Okay, we got W's. Shout out to Charles in the chat. Shout out to Chris. If your name starts with a C, you're obviously here to make money. If your name starts with a C, you're here to make money. Everybody else, I don't know. I'm sorry. You weren't born with the C. Me as well. Oh, T. Okay, C or T's. If your name starts with a C or T, you're here to make money. Everybody else, kick rocks. All right, nice. Good stuff. Way to take action, baby. Look, I don't know how much more clear I can be. What do you want me to do? Go to your chart and trade for you? Where did Troy go? It doesn't matter. Relax, dude. Charles, see, Charles, you were all upset. And now what? Now you're in the green, aren't you? You're all upset, and now you're winning. And you're like, oh, I'm excited. I'm going to type in chat. Yeah, I know. Yes, you're in the green. But listen, relax, okay? I don't know where the SMT master went. He'll be back. He'll be back soon enough, okay? I know I'm exactly right. I know the feeling. You're like worried that you're down, and now you're up, and you're like, hey, yes, oh, where'd Troy go? Because how far up is this thing going to go? Like, should I stay? Should I go? Should I stay? Should I fold? Should I hold him? Should I fold him? Charles needs to know more about SMT, Troy. Can you please help this man out so he can stop, begging in chat? He's literally begging for you. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
I can't see. There's like a pole or something in the way.
All right. Okay. Relax. Godly, man. They didn't even vote. Nobody cared. They're like, I don't care. There's 15 people and 26 people in here. You guys are lame. All right. Green. We're going up. Fine. Everybody else who thinks differently, you suck. All right. So we're going up for the day. So we're going up. That's it. Let's see. Charles says, LOL, I'll be in the special class. Okay. Charles is one of our members in the Midas Touch. He knows what's up, dude. All right. So anyways, he wants SMT advice. Do you have any?
Yeah. So basically that could be looked at as a grab. Now, what we have to do is we have to wait for either if a 15-minute candle closes above this, then we're probably going to continue up, right? But if we don't close above that and we start making a move down, then what we want to look for is the one strat for life model for an entry. So that kind of is what I'm looking for.
All right.
Just waiting. You got to be patient, right?
No, you just got to go in. We're about ready to go in right now. We're about ready to go. You guys ready? We're about ready to go. That always keeps people. If I say that, people stay. If I say, watch, you'll see that, watch people drop off if I say this. 28 people in here, I think. Watch people drop off. Ready? If I say this, they're not going to like it. So anyways, it's going to take you years, potentially, for you to get profitable trading. It's going to take you a lot of time. This is just a fact. There are no cheat codes. You cannot just cheat. I know you're here, and we'll get some wins together, but I'm talking about you on your own, trading on your own. It's going to take you time, and you need to go back test your strategy at least 1,000 trades. At least 1,000 trades. If you don't at least have 1,000 trades, manual trades on your strategy is not a strategy. Your strategy sucks. Your strategy doesn't mean dog poo, okay? You need 1,000 trades. Okay, watch people leave because they don't like that. They don't like waiting. They don't like the fact that we talk for real reality, real stuff to actually get them better. They don't like that. Look at this wick, though. I see that. Yeah, this 15-minute candle is looking nice. Forming, that is a grab, Troy. That looks like a grab. Now we just have to see it break structure to the downside. Anyways, when I give the disclaimer, nobody falls off because they're like, I'm not going anywhere. I can handle this pain. 1,000 trades, you say? It shall be done. But the reality is most people won't do it. But that's okay. It's all right. You'll be all right. Just rock with us in here. You'll be all right. We'll take care of you. We'll feed you. Anyways, what else? Woo! Jeremy, you still in here? Good Lord. This is what I'm doing with my life? What the hell's going on? Look at that 15 turning red, flipping red. Dang. Looking in Bookmap at the hot spot beneath us is 21,658, and I got it marked in here. So let me see, make sure that's 21.4. That one's still valid, isn't it? Yeah, that's still valid. The 21,600 looks pretty hot too. Let's see. I'm gonna mark 21,600 as well. Let's mark out 21,600. That is definitely a hot spot in here too. Do I have it marked? I have 660. Yeah, there's a little bit more beneath us. Oh, 600's way down here, guys. That's a nice move. How many points is that? 170. Okay. All right. All right, let's just stay calm. Just stay calm, people. Okay? Stay calm. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Hey, guys, if you're enjoying, smash the like button. I'm not going to beg for it, but, I mean, it does get the YouTube algorithm going, helps the channel out. We're trying to, you know, have some fun in here. More people, the merrier. It's a good time. So, anyways, yeah, we smashed London. I mean, Asia's high, so we did that. We took that liquidity. That wasn't a hot spot in Bookmap. So what's funny is this. Let me put that back up here, and I'll explain something real quick. I know a lot of traders wait for these highs and lows. What's funny is, even though it wasn't in Bookmap, look at how it reacted. So that's why it's very important to have your session highs and lows marked. I think it's extremely important to just have them marked on the chart, man. You may or may not use them, right? But I think it's important to know where they're at, because price likes to react to those levels. So something that we notice as traders is that price does like to react to those levels. Messing with the music a little. Is that too loud? Let me know if that's too loud, guys. I don't know if that's too loud. Let me know if the music is too loud, please. Thank you. Okay, gotta go. Man, I guess we'll shut down the stream now. John's out of here. Later, John. See you next time, brother. Be patient, people. You gotta be patient, man. Patience is a superpower. We already called one win this morning. We already got W's. Who got the W again? Type W if you got a W today. Off of creating the top wick and being a degenerate. I would have done it, okay? Had I not already hit my profit target in Apex, I would have traded it and done it. But I already hit it, you know? That's just where I'm at. I've already hit the thing, so I'm waiting for this thing to roll over. So this is Apex account, 11 accounts, and we went ahead and, you know, I was a degenerate here. I'm at 54. Who else goes that above and beyond? Tell me right now. Who else goes above and beyond? A 53 is the target. Who goes above and beyond? Who do you know does that? Huh? Just because. I did that. Me. I mean, really, if you know what I'm talking about, you're like, why are you at $1,000 over your profit target? Because I can, okay? Because I can. How about that? I'm the #2 best day trader on YouTube. What do you expect? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on? Where did my image go here? Where did my image go? What's going on here, man? Oh, that's the wrong button, Mike. Disappearing act. Now you see me, now you don't. All right, we're just waiting. This is just chill out. Be patient. What did Elon say today? Anything in the news? America's debt free by 2013. That's hilarious. His newest tweet. Debt free by 2013, and that was back with Bill Clinton in the background. That's hilarious. That definitely did not happen. That did not happen. Yikes. That's what I'm looking at. Look at this. Did that happen, folks? No. We're like 30. What's the national debt right now? I think it's like, let's see, national U.S. What is it? U.S. debt clock. Look at this. This will blow your mind if you have never seen this. Have you seen this, Troy? This is wild, dude. The debt clock. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I think I've seen it.
The numbers are wild. Nothing happening here, folks. First 15 minutes just getting worked out, working itself out. Nothing happening. No real nice trend. No shelves. You know, I'm the shelf king. If you didn't know, now you know. If you don't know what a shelf is, go watch my video on it. It's the best hidden secret, non-hidden secret in all of trading. I'm trying to find oh, here we go. Hey, thanks for the likes. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. Yeah, we're still in this range. I'm not doing anything. 15-minute candle. Looks like it could be closing above the range. I'm just kind of waiting for this first 15 to close. Need to be patient. If you guys want a real winner chicken dinner, we got to be patient. We cannot trade this ugliness. If you want to get a tap off of VWAP, you might be able to get something there, but honestly, she's a little choppy for my liking. So she has not picked a direction yet for the day. I'm just kind of chilling. I'm going to wait until she has more direction. I don't want to kill the win streak, bro. We're not killing the win streak. We got to be patient. If you don't like patience, you're probably not going to like trading. Because that's what it's about. Setting up to sit back. It's like, go, 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 go. Okay, now wait. Hold on. I take the jacket off. I was a little hot. We got a couple wins already today, so that's cool. 15-minute candle closing high, maybe. We got 40 seconds, 30 seconds. Look at how these candles open, and pay attention to what it looks like on these lower time frames too, right? Nice extension up here. Looks like we're going to close above the range. Looks like this could push to this hot spot, but that's not an entry model, so I'm going to wait. This is the target. Taking a look here at Bookmap as well, and lots of liquidity. 21,900 looks like a spot where price might want to go to. If she extends up a little bit more, we'll mark that out. Waiting for this next series of candles right here. Gonna be extra patient today. Today's Friday. We could get a runner Friday. It just kind of depends on how the market opens. But look, this is the national debt clock if you've never seen it. Look at these numbers, guys. It's friggin' wild, right? $36 trillion in debt over here. My God. And yeah, it's just wild. It tells you everything that the U.S. spends money on. So if you've never seen it, it might be worth going over there and checking it out. The way those numbers change, look at how fast these numbers change. Isn't that crazy? There's one in here that's really interesting. I'll find it. Let me look. It's like, what is it? It's like what each person in America owes. So if we were to all pay off the debt, it's like what each one of us owes. I don't quite know where it's at, but household assets? No, that's not it. Yeah, I'll find it. It's really, it's sad. It's a sad number. I'm in more debt every day. Yeah, anyways, okay, back to the charts. You passed Apex account yesterday, got to 53.06. Nice. Yeah, that's like, you hit it on the dot. Good job. Music is kind of loud. Really? I have it all turned all the way down. It's so weird. Okay, hold on. Let me turn that down more. Is that better? I just wanted something, you know? Help me focus. Help me not feel so alone. Lord knows I feel alone in here. I feel alone. Troy is here. So we got Troy. But sometimes Troy just disappears. He goes fishing and then comes back. Yeah, we have lots of liquidity right above us. I think we're going to be going up. 21,840 looks like a really hot spot now. That's a nice level. And I know we have this other book map level. I'll leave that. 21,840 is looking hot. Lots of liquidity in here. Pretty much this entire area is filled with liquidity. So this looks like a real good hot spot for price to want to, you know, gravitate towards. We also need to do something, guys. We need to mark out. What do we need to mark? Somebody type in chat. What do we need to mark, baby? Let's go. Type it out in chat. Somebody knows the answer. What are we marking out? You had asked, so I just gave you a response. But you were the one trading, so if it makes you more comfortable, then play it right on. The 15-minute range, Justin. Let's go. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're in the dark, my friend. I will help you change your trading game by showing you the 15-minute range. And, you know, it's funny. Oh, let me change the color of this. I wanted to change this to yellow. The 15-minute range. Guys, this is a very important range. If you don't know about this range, I'm just going to tell you it's very, very important, okay? That's all I'm going to say right now. If you want to learn more, join the challenge. Link is in the pinned comment, and that's our free school group. We're going to be opening up the challenge today. So that's why Troy's like, let's get off. Let's get a quick win and get off. And I agree. I'm with you. Yeah, this looks like it's definitely going to get grabbed. Anyone take a long up there into this liquidity? Just mentioning book map here. Now, as the top of this range gets met, right? We have a decision to make. Price has a decision to make. And this is why you see sometimes price get held up at the top of the 15-minute range. And nobody knows what that really means. But I know what it means. I know exactly what it means because I've been trading for 8 years. And I've seen this over and over and over. And once you see it over and over and over, you know what the stuff like this means. It means it acts as support and resistance. Simple. It can also act as a breakout level. So as we reach the top of the range, it kind of gets hesitant. You see that? We have 10 minutes to go on this 15-minute candle. So we'll see if she breaks the top or if she just wants to grab. We have to wait for this candle to close to get direction. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I'm not going to talk any more about it. We're just going to be going in or not. It's that simple. So if you like that, then you know what to do. You know what button to press. You know what button to press. Come on. Price heading back down to VWAP in Bookmap. Kind of extended away from VWAP inside of TradingView though. This is what most traders are looking at. Inside of the 15-minute range. Not going to do much inside the 15-minute range. I'm going to be waiting. Look at the 1 minute. Got a little trend line liquidity beneath us. We'll see if that continues. Little bear flag forming. Little bear. A little bear. Look at little bear. It's a mini one. A little bear. So if this breaks down, if this breaks, I could see this at least touching VWAP or going down to potentially breaking the bottom. But maybe we go low for the day. We're in undecided waters right now. Undecided territory, my friends. The poll earlier said that 80% of the group thought we were going up. So there's that.
It's also the end of the month, which tends to be kind of like lower probability for things to play out like you want. And we've just kind of been seeing that. I feel like, I don't know if you can hear me or not.
Yeah.
It's just, it looks like we're going to break up.
Yep, 7 minutes to go. Grab that. We grabbed all that liquidity inside of Bookmap that I was mentioning before. That's the hotspot. New hotspot 21,900. Have that marked up here. Anyone get a W off of longs? Curious. Now I haven't gone in a trade, so is what it is. But anyone else get into a long and another degenerate? Mike said it might go up there type of move. I'm just trying to get a feel for the room, seeing who's actually degenerate and, and who's not. So if you're a degen and you took that long, let me know in chat. Let us all know who you are so we can give you a tiny golf clap for that one, my friend. Tiny golf clap for that one. Nothing wrong with being a degen, by the way. I degen all the time. All the time. Big degenerate over here. We got 6 minutes to go. And price is looking like a nice extension through the range. The 15-minute range, dog.
Yeah, it's looking like she wants to go fill that entire gap. The new week opening gap.
Yeah. I had to turn down this bright light in my face, dude. It's too bright today. Too bright. I got this headache, so we gotta turn that off. All right. Or down. Dude, by the way, I've been doing, yesterday I did 55 push-ups. The day before I did 50. So I'm actually sore from that. Is that stupid or what? Like, it just shows how out of shape I am.
Yeah.
Good Lord. All my rib cage is I'm looking all right. I'm looking all right. Got definition still. But yeah, it's just my rib cage, man. I'm like, oh, I haven't used those muscles in a minute. We got 4 minutes to go. If this looks like it's going to close high, I might take the trade early, but this is going to be more of a day trade. We do have a shelf. You guys ready to dive in? Smash the like button if you're ready to dive in, because I'm starting to see some things. Things are becoming more clear. We have some trade ideas popping up right now. So smash the like button so I can feel good about, let's feel good about this. I'm always putting my ass on the line here, just showing you exactly what I'm doing in real time. This is week 3, trying to end the day green. If we do it today, we've gone 3 full weeks ending the days green. So this is a big deal for me. I took 11 accounts on Apex, got them all, we should be good to go by, I'm thinking Monday, because you got to trade for 7 days, right? So we should be good to go. Next week will be my 0 to 10K payout, day 1, hopefully starting Monday. I don't know if it's been 7 days, but I hope it starts Monday. And then we'll go from there. You guys join me on that journey if you want to know how I'm doing it, what these strategies are, specifically what I'm going to be trading today. I'm going to be trading Crazy Horse. That is what some of you guys know. If you're in the Midas Touch, you already know. I am going to be trading Crazy Horse. So we got a shelf down here. If you don't know what shelves are, I am the shelf king, baby. And this is actually the shelf. So I could see price coming down, tapping the shelf, kind of extending up, more. She may or may not get down there, but that is the play right there. Extend what am I trying to say here? The continuation model, okay, barely any top wick on that 1 minute. Hopefully she can extend down and grab. That would be your scalp, okay? This would be a scalp. The trade that I'm looking for starts in 2 minutes and 48 seconds. You guys ready? The trade that I'm looking for, let me be specific, okay? I'm not going to teach it right now. If you want to learn it, join the challenge. The trade that I'm looking for is potentially in 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay.
I'm going to go full port.
And yeah, we'll see. If this ends up turning back down, then I'm not going to take the trade. But if it does, we're going to be looking at... Who
else is going full port with me?
Let's see here.
It's Friday.
We're going to be looking at about
full port Friday, baby.
Full port. Let's go. We're going to be looking at around 100-point stop. So if that's too much for you, you don't like that. This is a day trade idea. This is a cash trade idea. We're still not there though. This is turning into a no-go. So we'll see. We are going
I put a
to
hundo
see.
in a CFD account, and I'm just going to freaking ape in hard.
Well, you know what, man? You,
either win it or you lose it.
That's right. That's right. So it's
$100.
a casino mentality. Let's go. I like that mentality. Sometimes it just works. All right. So there's your continuation model. If you got that trade off, you're in profit. You need to. This is a literally look. I got the up here, guys. You be looking for 10, 15 points on that move. All right. That's a continuation trade. That's the model. You just hit TP. You just protected your your downside. Let's go. Who's the effing GOAT? Who's number 2 on YouTube, baby? Who is number 2 on YouTube? You know who it is. You already know who it is. Smash the W button on your keyboard. Press enter. And let me see that shit right now. Let's go. Number 2, baby.
Who's the number 2
I'm
GOAT
working harder.
on
I got the reps going. How many trades do we got to win to prove it? Huh? How many trades in a row? I don't even know. That's why we waited. To the other morons who got off of this before we actually put up a trade here, okay? See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Good luck. Good luck with your lives, okay? You morons. Is that what I got to say? I'm just kidding. I'm telling you, don't.
Starting to sound like Patrick Whalen now.
Well, that's what happens when you become the number 1. You get, an ego and you start talking smack.
You slowly increase your ego.
Okay,
it
seriously.
slowly grows and grows.
Yeah, but listen,
until you
hey,
just
for real.
diss everybody.
Guys, for real, we're about to enter this other day trade. So, and when I say we, I mean me. This is just for pure entertainment. I'm setting up right now. I'm setting up the day trade right now. And we got 8 seconds to go. This will be a long. Right on the close, this will actually be a long right here.
Full port Friday.
I would like for that bottom wick to form, but if not, oh well. Here we go, guys. In. Right on the open of this candle. This is a day trade idea. You need to give yourself about 100-point stop. I know that's a lot. I know. We got major dub. Give me a effing break, bro. Like, who's doing it like this? Get out of my face, man. Come on. Huh? Huh? Get out of my face, bro. Why are you in my face? Who am I talking to? I don't even know. I don't know. It's just fun. Whatever.
Talking to your ego, Mike. That's who you're talking to. You're talking to your ego.
That's right. Now, what I want you to do, you're in this day trade with me. Who's in this what?
If you're up right now, smash the like button and put a big old fat W in
Bro,
the chat
who's
box.
doing it like this? I'm about to just end the stream because nobody put dude, I'm out. I'm out.
We're gonna go hit
right.
golf balls, Mike. I'm
Yo,
gonna fly down
y'all
there.
don't
in my
like
private
making money?
jet. We're
I
gonna go
won't
hit
do it.
golf balls.
No, I'm not doing this. No, I'm not doing it. I'm literally going to end the stream right now. I'm not messing with you. Seriously. You think I'm playing? I'm not playing. I will see you guys Monday. Let me open up chat first. Okay, I do see some. Okay, hold on. We got some people from the Midas in here. I can't do them dirty like that. Come on, we got all in on Stuart. That's my boy. Let's go.
Stuart went all in.
We got a W for Lewis. We got a W for Sylvian. I don't know why I always get that name wrong, but Tom, of course, Tom, bro, Tom, we just did, dude, I recorded that, that session in the class or whatever the other night where you were saying this system, the ladder ordering is the way that you're winning and crushing it. And I want to put that out on the channel, bro, if you're okay with that. It was sick. People would get a lot out of that.
He said
different
it was gay.
Tom?
He was
Okay.
like, my guy is
Different
freaking
Tom.
gay. This laddering stuff is just whack. That's what he
Yeah,
really
okay,
said.
well, I'm going to just continue to win. Nils, that's what's up. I'm back. Let's go. Lewis, we're already in longs, baby. Wings, Tom, different Tom, got it. Okay, there's Tom. There's my guy. I'm fine with it.
What did
Okay,
I tell you
got
guys?
it.
What did I say when we first got on?
You know what, dude?
told
I
you,
had to
if
have
we
the
break
confirmation.
above-
Relax.
If we break above, what are we going to go fill? We're going to go fill
God, you're such a jerk, dude.
that.
Such a jerk. You are such a jerk. Yes, you are such a jerk, dude. Just have to always be right.
NWOG.
Hey, guys. Who got in down here and is still in? Type me in chat if you got this one and you're still in. Just curious. That was a hell of a freaking trade. Look at the shelf. I am the shelf king. If you don't know about shelves, join the challenge, baby. If you don't join the challenge and you don't know what I'm talking about, you're an effing moron. An effing idiot. Straight up. I'm serious. Dude, we're doing it every day like this. Who's doing it every day like this? Let's go.
I prefer trend lines, Mike. I'm a trend line king. I like
Then
trend
go
lines.
join Tori Trades. She'll help
They
you
like
more
me.
than I will.
Trend lines like me.
Go join Tori Trades. She's a very sweet girl. She will help you more than me. I am
Look
not
at that.
sweet.
We literally tapped the end of the new week opening gap.
Did we?
Yeah, we literally tapped it.
Damn.
That's crazy.
So I'm wondering if we
That's
fill
just
it
totally
or what?
random.
Do we fill it or what? So we got 11 minutes to
It's
go.
filled. Yeah,
Oh.
it's filled.
Oh, it's filled. Well, we have 11 minutes to go on this 15-minute candle, guys. So I don't know if you know this, but this is not TP. If anyone got out there, you don't know how I trade.
Right above that gap, we do have a 4-hour gap. And yeah, that's the only gap we got. A 4-hour, and then we got the swing. So that would be an area that price could say I've had enough.
But why put a close at 880? That's the thing. Trading journey. Why put a close
219.
Why put a close at
21.
880? Oh wait, oh, my bad. Are you saying? Oh, I'm sorry, Troy. Hold on. Are you saying trading journey? Are you saying you took this first trade? Is that what you're saying, or you got in the second, like the scalp or the day trade? I'm just curious. Sorry, go ahead, Troy. Oh, okay. Then yeah, that's good. Yeah, 880 is good. Yeah, 880 is real good. Yo, if you're still in this, woo!
Oh yeah, diamond
880,
hands,
God
baby.
believe,
Diamond
dude.
hands right here.
Damn,
That's what you
son.
can call me. You can call me Diamond, Mr. Diamond Hands.
Mr. DM. Yo, you know why you gotta have diamond hands? Because this 15-minute, dude, we're bullish. We're going up. It's
Well,
just
and
that
if you
simple.
if you learn key levels,
Yeah,
you'll know a
that's
little
right.
bit of something.
That's
something.
true. That's very true. Yeah, look at the 4-hour. So
21,920.
I
That
haven't even
is the
used Bookmap. I haven't even looked at it.
4-hour gap right there. So I know there's going to be a reaction right there.
Yeah, you have to assume it.
Don't think we're going to just blast through
No,
that.
you gotta assume middle of this gap is a pretty good. Even the bottom of it, you gotta start looking. You gotta start being smart. Yeah. No, that's a good. That's good. And the way these 15-minute candles close and open, we're okay on this 15-minute. Like we got a few minutes to go. We got 8 minutes to go, so this is okay to hold. But once we get up and away, baby. Look at this move, man. This is a move.
That's it, man. We're done for the day.
Nice. This is
Come
very
back Monday.
nice. Yeah.
Let's go hit some golf balls.
Yeah, no, seriously, guys. This is if you're new to the channel, subscribe. This is just what we do, man. Every single day, crushing it in here. I don't know what to tell you. Going on 3 weeks of winning days. We're just gonna keep it going, dude. I don't even know what to say. This is just I'm excited because I get to show it live on YouTube now, you know. I've been showing it live for 18 months. If you don't know, I've been showing it live, but that's just, I don't know why it's more exciting, bro. I'm more excited right now. Okay? I'm just more excited. I'm pumped. I'm freaking pumped. I got my fam in here. I got freaking, you know. That's that bookmap hotspot we took out. I'm not really seeing.
Hey, if you're tired of losing, guys, if you're on here and you're new,
else.
if you're tired of losing, you got to pick up the TMT.
Yeah, for real.
Pick up the TMT.
For real, man.
Right.
21,920. 21,920 is looking juicy. I'll put this up here. 21,920 is looking sexy. She's looking sexy right up there.
Tom, I like this trading better than the 10-point move gay stuff. Yeah, I agree with you, Tom.
But down here was the 10-point move gay stuff right here off the shelf. And we got people that not only got that and held, you know, to 21,880, which I don't know why that would, that's just a random thing, but I like it. But that's your 10-point move right here. So we filled the belly of the beast. And those are our scalpers in here, our micro scalpers. We filled the belly, and now we're in a more of a day trade. And let me tell you something, you got to let price breathe. Okay, that's the problem when people get into trades, they don't let it breathe. They go, oh man, she's coming back down, I better get out. We're good, you're good. This 4-hour fair value gap, I can almost, I'm not going to say, look, I'm just going to say I'm very confident that we go up and tap that gap, okay? We already broke the range, we're good, we're going up for the day. Like my entire day is now moved to we're going up. That's how it works. That's how it works, fellas and ladies.
Yeah, until you see a, you know, my opinion, like a pivot point, like then you can maybe be like, all right, yeah, like I should maybe be out, right? Do you agree with that, Mike?
A pivot point? Oh, up here? You mean like 3-candle pullback kind of vibe on a 15? Yeah. Maybe on a 15, but I would even say this is the invalidation zone for this trade, period, right here. So if a 15-minute candle closes, it's got to close down in this area and it breaks, then yeah, it's got me. I'll probably just exit out and come back Monday. That would be a crappy situation, but the reality is I don't think that's happening. I think what we could do, we could come back down into the range. That's fine. I don't give a crap what price does in this area. Honestly, she'd do whatever. She'd come here, do this, whatever, but we're going up here. That's where price is going. And I just know this because I back tested and I just know my trading. I just know the system. If you want to learn the system, join the challenge. I don't know what to tell you, man. And traders get freaked out because they see price move.
Mike's got the trading how do you say that word? Almanac?
Almanac?
I can't even say Almanac. Almanac?
I do have the trading almanac.
Mike has.
That's right.
He went back to the future.
I did. Yes. What's funny is you've been so on point, dude. Like you called this. You were like, "Yep, I've been along." Anyways, price just hit my TP. I think I'm gonna dip. You're just.
Well, I took the short off. You know, before opening price, I took that short down. I closed it out, and then I was just chilling because we weren't below true day open, so I didn't technically have a solid long position. But then when we broke up out of that range, I was like, okay, we're going to go up and fill that gap, kind of like I told everybody if you were paying attention. And then Mike confirmed it. Mike confirmed it with, you know, his strategy. So go all in, full port Friday, baby.
Yeah. What's cool is that we are a pretty damn good tag team. Troy and I make a pretty damn good team. It's really yin and yang. I mean, he can survive out in the wilderness with nothing but the clothes on his backs, and I would die. So there's that. So, you know, there's a yin and yang kind of thing that you and I have, but it works really well with trading because he's very mechanical. You know, I'm not going to say ICT, but if you do know ICT, I would consider him a little bit more mechanical, right? SMC, whatever, you know, and Troy helps people that need to know, you know, mechanically speaking, where is this entry? What can I look for to make sure that it's confirmed, right? And I'm I don't write shit down. I don't really write it out like that. I mean, be honest with you, I am a more fluid trader. I have like 10 different entry points in my head. And so he's the guy who calms me down and says, okay, look, we gotta line this out for people if we really want to show them what you're doing. So that's what we've done in the challenge. You guys are really going to enjoy the challenge. If you join, it's free to join the school group. $1 to join the challenge. If you want to join the challenge, once you're in the school group, you kind of be dumb not to. I'm just saying, there's no other reason to be there. There we go, guys. Hitting the fair value gap, tapping the bottom of it will most likely cruise up further than that, I think. But at this point, we got nothing else to prove on the day. We're looking pretty good, right, Troy? Yep. At this point, bro. Yep. You know, I do have things I got to do. I know you do as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed this week. For one last time, smash the like button, put W in chat if you got W's with us this week. If you were trading with me this week and you had a lot of fun, type W in chat. Love you guys. I want to be here for you. Monday morning, I'll be on at 7:30 a.m. Central. That's 8:30 Eastern. I'll jump back on in the afternoon. Subscribe to the channel. Tick the notification bell. Obviously, you're going to need to do that so that way you see when I'm live. Sometimes I just go live randomly. We typically always find a trade, don't we, guys? We typically always find a trade, and we have been crushing it. I don't know what to say. Like, lots of different entry models, but we're focused on just a couple on stream. The 15-minute range being more of a day trade. We're using the shelf method to find continuation trades after we get a little bit of a more idea of like what direction the day is going to be. And so those are the two main models that we're using. We also have the one strategy for life. I can't leave that out. That is the main model that we're using for swing trades and pivot trades, which we could see off of this 4-hour fair value gap. You never know. So that's important to note as well. We did tap that 4-hour gap. We showed you exactly where it was going to go. That's the tap. So at this point, I think we're still going up for the day. I think we could reach the middle of it, but that's just my thought. So if we see price reverse and close down below this range, that will be the reversal sign. At this point, guys, I'm just ready for next week, man. I'm ready for another killer week. Week 4, keeping it going. Getting these Trade-O-Vate accounts, these Apex accounts, all 11 of these should be live. So really trying to like get those going, man. I don't know how many days I have left, but that's pretty much it. Clint, I see you. Chris, Trading Journey, Tom, Nils, you guys are the fam. I'll see you in school. By the way, there's going to be new training content uploaded in school as well for you guys. So hope that you enjoy that as well for all of our school members. And for those of you who are going to degen trade for the rest of the day, good luck. Don't lose. Don't turn a winning day into a losing day. Don't overtrade. When you're having a bad day, shut the computer down and come back. Do not destroy your account. Don't revenge trade. Don't size up too much. Just know that the market is out to destroy you, and it does not care about you or your family or your savings or anything you got, and it wants to take everything from you. So when knowing that, we'll see you Monday. Bye, guys.
Have a good weekend.